In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Zazzle online store. What's going on? My name is Ibrahim Omar, also known as Erudabi. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm definitely gonna do nothing. So do right now. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to open your Zazzle online store right now. Let's dive into it.
So yeah, here we are on the Zazzle page. Yeah, so the very first thing I want to do is go complete my profile. Yeah, I want to complete my profile. It's 20% now, so I'm gonna click on that icon, go to my account. Okay, so yeah, then account settings. Yeah, then check my mail. Yep, everything intact. Okay, so yeah, then go to earnings. I want to check how I want to be paid. I want to be paid. So yeah, here we are. Yeah, my email, which was connected to my PayPal. I want to get paid through PayPal. So yeah, it's correct. I don't want to get paid by check. So depending on whatever one you want. So yeah, you fill out every bit of information. Keep scrolling and fill out every bit of information. So yeah, company name and all of that. If it's company or if it's individual as well, fill out. So here you can see tax information, and you can see this W pen, and you can see the amount you want to get paid. So yep, I want to go to associates. I want to sign up for affiliate programming. Yeah, so here's my ID, associate ID. Yeah, so you're gonna save it as well, save your ID. Yeah, so then the next thing I want to do is create your own design. So yeah, I'm gonna go to create design. Yep, create design. Okay, yeah, create now. Here we are. Yep, so I'm gonna choose this. Yeah, so these are departments, so depending on whatever niche you want to focus on. So I'm gonna focus on electronics. Yeah, let me choose electronics. I'm gonna choose electronics. Okay, hold on a bit. Yeah, so here we are. These are what are available beneath electronics. So I'm gonna choose phone cases and accessories. Yeah, so hold on. Yep, so yeah, here we are. So I'm gonna scroll. Hold on, I'm still looking for design I want. I'm still looking for the kind of phone case I want to design on. Okay, let me search. um let me search iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, did not match. Okay, I'll sit down there. Let me scroll. I'm gonna sit down there. Yep, phone cases. Okay, let me scroll. These are the collection of phone cases available. So yeah, I'm gonna choose 11 Pro. Okay, I've seen it. Here we are. Yeah, so I'm gonna create design on it. I'm gonna create my own design. So yeah, this is a plain phone case with no design on it. So choose I'm gonna create design on it, add image or text. So depending on whatever one you want, if you want to add image or if you want to go ahead and add text is okay. So I'm gonna add text. Okay, so yeah, let me put hello Erodabi. So depending on whatever one you want to, whatever word you want to put. Yeah, I want to put hello Erodabi. Okay, let's go. Okay, so yeah, this is Erodabi. Sorry, this is Erodabi. So yeah, I want to make sure it's aligned. So yeah, you make sure you shouldn't exceed this line, because this line is where the phone pouch, the phone case stops. So yeah, it's aligned in the middle, in the center. It enables you to align in the center as well. So yeah, I want to go ahead to choose front styles color. Okay, let me go to color. Yeah, so you can choose whatever color you want. I'm gonna choose green. No, let me go back to black. Okay, I love black. Yeah, so I want to change fonts, but you should make sure whatever font you want to choose should be bold. Yeah, so I'm gonna choose. So yeah, choose whatever I want to choose. So you can see this one exceeds this green dotted line. So yeah, you can see this is not gonna go. So yeah, I want to choose something bold, and yeah, this one is okay. So yeah, you can see this also as well. You can choose any of these to add your design. Make sure everything is being aligned and perfect. So yeah, these are a collection of these are options to enable you complete your design. I think I'm gonna stop here. I'm good with this. Yeah, so you can see any of these options as well. So you can see, yeah, files. You can see my files. You want to upload, you can click on my files and upload the tests. Yep, I'm good with hello error derby. Yeah, I'm good with that. So yeah, depending on if you want to upload from my files, you can go ahead to upload from my files, but if you don't want to, you can leave this if it suits you, if you're good with this. So yeah, when you're done, you want to go ahead to click on done. You want to go ahead to click on done. Yeah, so you can see letter spacing and all of that. So yeah, I'm done with this. I'm good with this. Let me go choose, click on done. Yeah, so I'm done. So yeah, you can see hello error derby pops out. So yeah, so yeah, we are, so edit design. If you haven't finished and if you are done, you can click on sell it, but if you are not done, don't click on sell it. So yeah, here we are, but when you're done, you can click on sell it. So you can see device type as well after creating your design. Yep, so you can see, uh you can see, yep, edit design if you are not done, and if you are done, click on done. So you can see this one is good by me. I'm good with this. So you should choose whatever I want to do. You can go ahead to upload my style as well. I'm done with this, so done. So yeah, I'm gonna sell it if I want to, or if I want to go ahead to choose any other kind of device, I'll just go ahead and choose. So I'm gonna leave this there, add to cart. This is for the customer and not for you. So when you're done, yours is just to click on sell it, and if you're not done, edit design. So yeah, here we are, everything has been set. So yeah, these are the countries where you can sell a product. So whatever country you choose, you're gonna be paid. So whatever country you choose, you're gonna be paid in that country's currency. So yeah, I chose United States, so I'm gonna be paid in USD. Yeah, depending on whatever country you choose, you're gonna get paid by the country's currency. Yep, so here we are. Yeah, I'm done with that. So I want to go to my profile. I'll go complete my profile. Okay, here we are on dashboard. So here you can see these are two designs I made, hello Hero Derby, and the other one as well, hello Hero Derby, in different fonts. So here you can see. The next one to do is your profile picture, and change it and upload a profile picture on your store, on your page. So yeah, I want to go ahead to do this, choose whatever wants to choose, whatever one you want to upload. Yeah, so here we are, everything being set. So yeah, the next thing I want to go do, I want to go complete my settings. I want to go complete my profile and make sure everything is complete. Yeah, so yeah, these are the countries. Yep, so yeah, so you can see the styles, the designs I created, hello Hero Derby. You can see the other one too, hello Hero Derby. I'm gonna click on settings and complete my profile, personal information. So yeah, you can see this is tagline, name, tagline, and about. So yeah, tagline should be your motto, whatever motto suits you, and about should be about you. Then you scroll down and fill out every bit of information, and when you're done, you click on submit. Yeah, so that's my profile. We are done with this, it's good and ready to go. So yeah, here we are, everything done. Yeah, so you want to go ahead to complete profile banner or not. So yeah guys, that's all for this. So yeah, in my next video I'm gonna talk about Cafe Press. Stay tuned, see you in my next video.
That was really interesting, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Yeah, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Cafe Press store as well. Stay tuned. See you in my next video.